Hi everyone, this is Sanan from GetInspected, and today we're looking at a 1942 Buick Century. Just a walk around. We left the hood open, which can be opened on both sides, by the way. We've taken a lot of pictures with the car fully closed from different angles. Alright, now we're gonna get closer a little bit. Since the engine is, since the hood is open, just taking a look inside. Very well maintained. That is an oil filter housing. And that's the battery. The horn. There are a lot of things that we're capturing by video that don't need explanation. Pedals, parking brake, headlights. Steering wheel is in very good condition. Little cracks here, here, and here. Horn works. I believe that's called a traffic light prism that I just recently learned about. A few minutes ago, actually. There is a cover here, but we've taken pictures of what's under, so you can see it, and you can see it in part of our pictures for this car. Back seats. frame for the door and the hinges. And the hinges in the front as well. And now we're just going to take a look at the trunk. So in the meantime, the fuel filler door. This is the trunk space. This is surface, very surface rust. It's from humidity. Trunk light. And the hinge. And just lifting this a little bit, just to show what's under. We did a paint thickness measurement on all of the panels, and everything is metallic. Now we're going into the passenger side door. Now we go into the front passenger. Dashboard. Under the dash. This is a manual transmission, 3-speed, and it's a straight 8, producing 165 horsepower, 320 cubic inch. The car was restored in the 70s or 80s. This is an antenna. The chrome work is very nice for the age and the restoration. It's in excellent condition. So I was told that this was an add-on as well, but this is an original add-on, an authentic add-on. It looks beautiful from every angle. We'll capture a video of the underbody while we're still here, and we'll do another video of while it's being driven. Small differential drip sweat leak. It has drums all around. Chassis is clean. Again, very small amount of surface rust. This is the fuel tank. That's the parking brake cables. You can probably tell I'm having fun. This is a piece of American history. Now, I'll highlight a few things that I just learned. That's so the first thing is, remember Pearl Harbor? This was one of the last vehicles that were sold with the full chrome all around, because of they needed to stop the production to start doing war production. So a lot of these cars did not have all of this chrome and all of that steel trim all around.
They were used for wartime for 3 years.
Whichever survived the wartime, at least. The hubcaps here, they have a chrome surround, trim rings, and they have pinstripe work around the rims. We checked the horns and they work.
Sound for the video.
You can see the liner, and the top is flawless. The rear view mirror. Oh, so this is to help you see the traffic light when you're stopped at a light, because the windshield is kind of small, and when you stop at a light, usually the light is almost above the windshield, at least in America. So that was an aid to help you see the light, or when it changes color. So the only thing that doesn't work here is the clock and the fuel gauge. I also learned that the rear seats are comfortable as well as the front seats.
This was an option too, the deflector.
Oh, so that was an option that was added. It's a deflector.
Exhaust deflector.
Exhaust deflector. Sorry for the lengthy video, but I believe that the car is worth that long and some. We're gonna have to conclude with this one, and we're gonna do the second video while the car is being driven. This has been Sinan from GetInspected, and that was a pre-purchase inspection of this 1942 Buick Century in the greater Ottawa region. Thank you for watching.